Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Virgo, it's time. This is May monthly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Virgo, it's time. What are the messages for you and what's going on? What are the messages for Virgo? And what's going on? Okay, what's going on? Under the deck, the Devil and Page of Cups. I think the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn. So this person may be obsessed with you or you are obsessed with this person. There is a lot of obsession is going between you and your person. And Page of Cups, someone is returning with an apology. Someone want to say apology to you. Some text is coming. For some, this person may be toxic for you, Virgo. So let's see your reading. Recent past, High Priestess, 10 of Pentacles and 2 of Cups. You started listening to your intuition, trusting your higher self. Your money is very good, 10 of Pentacles. Financial abundance is there. And 2 of Cups. This love is mutual. You both have strong emotions towards each other. I think you both are spiritually connected also. Past was okay. Then present, 5 of Cups, 4 of Swords and Knight of Pentacles. You are feeling sad for something or for someone. Maybe for some, right now you are in no contact situation with your person. Because something happened between you and your person. Maybe they backstabbed you, cheated on you, lied to you. For some, third party situation also involved in this connection. Right now you are undergoing healing. You are not talking to anyone but thinking about them a lot. But someone is returning. But again, they are in very, very slow moving energy, Knight of Pentacles. But you are healing yourself to forget this pain. 5 of Cups to 4 of Swords. You want to heal yourself completely. You are in the process of healing. Then future, Page of Wands, 5 of Swords and Queen of Pentacles. Yes, there is some text and communication is coming. Maybe you both have age differences between both of you. And 5 of Swords, there are some disturbances and misunderstandings between you and your person. Queen of Pentacles, you are more concentrating on your career, especially finances. You are creating more money. You are very caring and giving person, Virgo. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Especially Capricorn or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your person feelings and intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, 8 of Wands, communication. Your person want to communicate with you. So let's see their feelings. Virgo, their feelings towards you. I'm seeing playfulness. Yeah, they will make action very soon if you are in no contact situation. And Hangman, your person thinking about you, they're stuck on you. Definitely they're willing to communicate with you and they really want to offer the stability, King of Pentacles. For some, your person may be very career oriented person. And 7 of Wands. Yes, they will not give up on this connection. They are thinking about to fight for your love. Yes, they will fight for this connection. 7 of Wands energy is here. And Hangman, definitely they are stuck on you. They are thinking about you a lot. So let's see their intentions. Again, High Priestess. I think you both are spiritually connected. Maybe they are manifesting you. Five of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, and Queen of Swords and Queen of Pentacles. I think your person also listening to their intuition, trusting their intuition. Five of Pentacles, suffering in silence, and Nine of Pentacles. Maybe your person is already financially very stable. For some, maybe your person is working towards their career and goals. Five of Pentacles, but they are missing you. They're suffering in silence. Maybe they are manifesting you, Virgo. So I want one more card there for their intentions. Yeah, Three of Cups with Hangman. Yeah, they're stuck on you. They're thinking about you a lot. For some third party situation also involved. Yes, if you are in separation with your person, they want reconciliation. Three of Cups is here. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. And Nine of Cups with 2S, they are thinking about you a lot. Maybe they have to make choice. For some, you person have options also. But they are wishing for this connection. They are going to be choose you. Because Nine of Cups with the World card, definitely they are going to be choose you. And they are thinking about you a lot. And they are obsessed with you. For some, you are also obsessed with them. They are energetically manifesting you. And you also missing them. Nine of Swords energy. And Page of Cups. Yes, communication, text is coming. Definitely, apology is coming 2 times. Page of Cups. And Nine of Pentacles. But your money is very good, Virgo. You are financially very independent. But you are also missing them. You are also losing your nights over them. Especially when you are alone. You are getting a lot of thoughts regarding that person. Long distance relationship you both could be in. And lot of drama is going. But your person planning to coming back. This person is very romantic. Maybe this is very slow moving energy again. But they are planning to come back. But slow moving energy. But yes, there are a lot of things going between you and your person. Five of Wands. For some, more than one person is fighting for your attention. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. You are the only one for me. Friendship. Retreat. Separation. Third party involved. Yeah, the messages are you are the only one for me. Friendship, for some you both are very good friends. For some your person putting you in friendship zone. And retreat, reconciliation. For some you both are in separation right now. And third party, for some third party situation is involved. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. But text is coming, apology is coming. Bring love into the situation. New moon in Aquarius. The end of a tough cycle approaches. Full moon in Capricorn. So definitely if you are going through a tough cycle, definitely it is going to be end very soon. Especially full moon in Capricorn. And bring love into the situation. New moon in Aquarius. So these are the messages for you. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.